Hi, my name is Shannon Keener, and I'm a graduate of the Sacrum Institute, and I've been doing advanced body work for about a year and a half now. And I want to tell you why it is going to be so beneficial for you to attend the upcoming seminar in June about the respiratory diaphragm and the pelvic bowl. 65 to 85% of the pain that people experience is directly related to organs. And both of these areas are so intimately associated with organs. The respiratory diaphragm, you've got the liver, the lungs, the stomach, all of those things can be affected by working that area. In the pelvic bowl, you have the uterus, you have the bladder, you have the prostate, you have the bowel, and then in between you have the mesentery or the small intestines, which can be huge for people who have constipation issues. And let's face it, our diets, they pretty much suck. Probably 50% or more have issues with inflammation in the gut, which is going to affect both of these areas. The information that you're going to get, you can start immediately applying, like Monday with your clients. This is not going to be a continuing education course that you attend and you're like, never going to use that again. You will start using this immediately, and you'll start to see incredible changes in your clients. So head on over to interrelationships.com and sign up today. This is an incredible course with wonderful information taught by Lee Ankrum, who is probably one of the smartest people I know. And it's in your own backyard. You've got to take advantage of this. interrelationships.com. Sign up today.